So Google Calendar and appointment slots. So the first thing you want to do is go to your calendar, your Google Calendar, and you are going to create a new appointment. Well, actually more than that, you're going to create a new calendar event and you're going to click on appointment slots. So in here you want to set the date and you want to set the time. You also want to set the duration of the slots. So maybe it's 10 minutes, could be 15 minutes, totally up to you, however long you want these meetings to be. So once you do that, you want to click on more options and you want to give it a name. Okay, and you can double check your items here, so the date, the time, and the duration. But more importantly, once we save this, it is, where did it go? It's right here, appointment slots. Move that down here. So now when I click on this, this is what it gives me. However, if I click on the calendar's appointment page, this is what I want to see. Okay, and this is the page that you want to give to parents. So you just want to copy that and you want to paste that into an email or to Google Classroom so parents can use this to book your appointments.